Hi, I'm Suzanne Amra, and this is Sward's Slow Run. Because our PTA has so many different events happening throughout the year, and something big like this would be able to kind of help them fund a lot of the events that we have at Sward. So we sat down and we had a couple of meetings with Booster, and the more meetings we had, the more excited we got. And the more excited we got, the more excited the kids got. And that's how this whole Glow Run just kind of blew up here at Sward, and just really pulled everybody together for one cause. We partnered with Booster. Booster came out and set up our gym and literally transformed it into a Glow Run. And as they were doing that, the kids were walking by to go to their different, go to art or go to music or library. And as they're walking by the gym, they would peek in and you would just see their faces of excitement. It was like wow, did you see the gym? So they were really looking forward to their PE class that day because they knew in that PE class they were going to be able to kind of come into this transformed gym and this Glow Run and just run around. We had a DJ, so the DJ was playing music. The kids were just really excited. It was really electrifying. I mean, they walked by and you had a couple kids who wanted to go to the bathroom a couple more times during the day just to kind of sneak a peek, but it was just such a great event and they deserve it because they worked really hard for it. And at the end of the day, they ended up raising about $16,700 for Sward and about $25,000 total, which is just phenomenal.
Down with me from 99, 98, 97, 90. Now I'm just kidding. We're starting 3, 2, 1, go!
It was beautiful too to see a bunch of families and our community in our gym and just really promoting physical education within the building and within our community. When we asked our kids, what is something that you would absolutely love to do? Sliming the principal came up. And so we said, you know what, why don't we'll go with it. And I'm game for anything all the time. So I said, sure, I'll go ahead and I'll get slimed, but I will only get slimed by the highest, or the grade level that raises the highest amount of money for Sward School. And I had wonderful parents that were giving me tips like, Mrs. Amra, you have to wear a hair cap that day, or we're gonna get you a paint suit and we're gonna make sure that you have goggles. So I really felt the love from the entire community, like really wanted to take care of me while I got slimed, and they really did. So the day of the sliming, I actually had on my goggles, I had on a paint suit, I covered up my hair. I even had kids that were worried about me and telling me, make sure you don't wear your nice clothes on that day. So I followed everyone's advice and it was a blast. It's definitely a once in a lifetime thing. I don't think that I ever imagined that I would ever be slimed in my life, but it was for a good cause and it was just so much fun. And the kids were so excited about it. I mean, that's something that they're always gonna remember. I always say that, kids remember these special experiences, and this was definitely a special experience that they're always gonna remember. And it also, they're gonna be able to connect that with, really taking advantage of physical education and really, just always remembering that it's important to move. It's important to incorporate physical education within your day. And we really kind of framed it in a fun way for them.